Hey guys, Chris Stewart JTech. We're going to be performing a smoke test on the intake system. So we got this Smoke Pro Air. It's a very easy portable device that produces smoke. And we do that by this liquid right here called Redline. It's probably the brand actually. And you just pour it into the top, kind of like a vape, and it like heats up the juice and produces the smoke that goes through the system. And so how you set it up is you get any kind of air hose that your shop has, and you plug it into the back of it, right back here. And then you take your power, and you connect it to the battery. So I'll do that here. Make sure it's, positive, negative to the negative. And then on the engine, you're going to want to find your vacuum that goes to your intake. So we have it in the back right here. You just have to trace it from your brake booster and find the line. So we had to take off the air box. And this is a 2011 Toyota Camry, 4-cylinder. And so we took the line off from here, and we want to plug our hose into it. You want to make sure you have the right adapter. We have a cone head, and some lines are metal that you plug into, so you need a rubber end instead of a metal. So we're gonna put it through here nice and tight. So once everything's hooked up, we're gonna press smoke test. But before you do all that, you want to make sure it's producing smoke. So we're gonna test it real quick, and then you can adjust the volume that it's pumping out right here. And if you can see it, it's producing smoke now. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah.
There you go. So now we're gonna plug this in. And it's very distinct smell, so you know if it's coming out. And you just plug it in. And what it's checking for any leaks, like in the gasket, so if there's like a rip in a rubber hose somewhere, and that will cause air to force into the vacuum in the intake, and it'll cause a bunch of idling problems. So this is how it is to check for all that. You can also do a smoke test on exhaust leaks, so you can plug it up to the back of the exhaust and the muffler and close off the tip, and it'll go through the exhaust system all the way up to the exhaust manifolds, and check if it like leaks out or anything, like where the flanges go together or any of the weldings. You can check that, and then you can also check the evap on the gas tanks. And you just plug it in and see if it's leaking out on the gas tanks. So you just want to wait, 5 minutes for any leaks. And one way to check if it's through the system is you can take off the plug right here, and I can hear the suction already. It was pushing it through, it pushed off the cap. It hasn't made it all the way through yet. So we can wait a couple more minutes. Or you can check through here. There's some smoke coming out right here. And I don't see any smoke anywhere else, so it looks like it made it through the system. This hasn't got to the cap yet. I see it a little bit. But it doesn't look like there are any leaks in this vehicle. So that's how you perform a smoke test on the intake system. Thank you.